Cultivating a Zen mindset can enhance well-being and quality of life. In this modern era, where we are constantly bombarded with stimuli and distractions, it has become crucial to take time for inner stillness. Zen Buddhism offers elegant practices that nurture presence of mind. Let's begin with an overview of Zen's origins and philosophy. Developing from Mahayana Buddhism in China, Zen emphasizes non-dualistic intuitive wisdom over rigid dogma. Through meditative rituals like Zazen seated meditation and koan puzzles, practitioners aim to transcend conceptual thinking and experience a state of direct, non-grasping perception of reality, just as it is, referred to as Satori or Kensho. By releasing attachment to desires and preconceptions, Zen teaches we can overcome suffering caused by egoism, aversion, and craving. This enlightened perspective is the fruit of dedicated mindfulness cultivation. While Zen is probably most associated with the rigors of monastic life, its essence is profoundly applicable to the wellness of our everyday environments. Some core Zen principles that can be incorporated into secular living include beginner's mind, non-attachment, simplicity, and meditation. Beginner's mind involves maintaining a fresh, open curiosity towards even mundane experiences, rather than mental autopilot. This nurtures presence. Maintaining beginner's mind doesn't just mean approaching each moment with fresh curiosity. It involves questioning our usual assumptions and habitual patterns of thought. Notice when your mind labels or categorizes experiences in default ways. Gently shift to simply observing without mental commentary. This keeps awareness vivid. Non-attachment means neutral observation of whatever arises internally or externally, without preference, aversion, or judgment. This increases composure versus reactivity. Simplicity fosters focus through paring down commitments and optional distractions. Daily Zazen meditation then strengthens concentration. Relatedly, practicing non-attachment doesn't necessarily mean becoming indifferent. It's about weakening the automatic tendency to latch onto preferences and resist unfavorable circumstances. Notice internal reactions like craving, aversion, or judgment as they arise. Then let go of compulsively indulging or fighting them. With practice, you develop equanimity. Making even 10 to 20 minutes per day for these contemplative rituals can have profound transformative effects with consistency over weeks and years. The mind becomes increasingly adept at naturally settling itself through disciplined observation. Worry, busyness, discomfort, and otherwise distracting thoughts naturally subside as presence strengthens. Mental and physical well-being both deepen. Zazen meditation lies at the heart of Zen practice, providing a powerful tool for cultivating inner stillness and clarity. By engaging in regular meditation, we develop a calm and focused mind, enabling us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and insight. Besides seated meditation, short breaths of mindfulness can be integrated anywhere, at any time, while washing dishes, waiting in a line, or going for a walk. Just shift attention fully to immediate sensations like sounds, feelings, movements. This imparts moments of reflection and calm to your day. Zen encourages us to approach eating with mindfulness and gratitude, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings involved in the food we consume. By savoring each bite and cultivating awareness of our nourishment, we can deepen our connection to the food we eat and find greater fulfillment in the act of nourishing ourselves. In Zen, the development of compassion and kindness towards ourselves and others is very important. By recognizing the interdependence of all beings, we foster a sense of connection and cultivate a more compassionate way of being. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness, acknowledging that you are imperfect and deserving of love and care. Then extend acts of kindness, empathy, and support to others, no matter how small. Offer a listening ear, a helping hand, or a kind word whenever possible. Cultivate empathy by considering the perspective and experience of others. Keep things simple. In our complex and materialistic world, simplifying our lives can bring a profound sense of clarity and meaning. By decluttering our physical and mental spaces, we create room for what truly matters, enabling us to focus on the essentials and find contentment in simplicity. Simplicity isn't just about minimizing scheduled clutter either. It's bringing more selective presence to each task by doing one thing at a time without distraction. Silence phones during meals, meetings, or family time. Give activities or conversation your undivided focus. You'll be more engaged and gain clarity. Zen practice can be further enriched by seeking guidance from experienced practitioners and engaging with a supportive community. Connecting with others on the path provides valuable insights and encouragement. Finding a respected, experienced teacher is invaluable. However, remember that the teacher is simply a guiding light on the path, not the path itself. Over time, with practice, Zen techniques can become second-nature habits that bolster mental resilience, reinforce compassion, and deepen our appreciation for life's richness, even amid difficulties. The benefits of Zen awareness accumulate subtly but powerfully. Practice, practice, practice.